Well guys, here's an update on the 1986 Honda XR80R. Took the engine off the bike. There's no engine. As you can see, it's kind of missing. Oh, I took the engine off just like a day ago. Took it off just to see how much it's gonna cost me. And it was about right around how much it's gonna be about. Well, I'll tell you the rest in here. I'll just open up my shed. Alrighty. Let's get in here. Let's see. Let's bring the engine over a little bit. Alrighty. Take this rag out. Alright. Well, here's the engine. I took it off. The gaskets obviously shot. And cylinder's good. No scoring. The sprocket to hold the cam chain that goes right about here. Chain comes up. Let's turn all the valves to adjust. Sprocket is shot. No good. That's gonna have to be replaced. And this big valve here, I took it off. It was out here, pretty much. So I'm pretty sure it's bent. Because when I compress it, you can see. Press with the hammer, this end of the hammer. Oh, watch. It's off by a tiny bit. But I gotta buy the specific tool to take it off, so. See? It's supposed to be really right there. And if I push it with my finger, or if I got it with the... I think it might be a little bent. So if I take the flathead and push, yeah. So I gotta buy a specific tool. Shouldn't be that much, hopefully. Well, that's what the engine. Oh yeah, the YZ80, the rings and the clips are coming. They'll be here next Tuesday, so I'll be able to put those on. Cam chain is obviously loose. The piston is good. I need a new set of gaskets. Holy shit! Fucking door. The wind is crazy out there. Alright, anyways, I gotta take these two screws off, and they're obviously stripped, so they make it more difficult for me to get this chain off. But I'm probably not gonna fix this until the summer. I only took it apart just to see what's going on with this thing. So, piston is good shape. I just cleaned the top of the piston today. And yeah, that's basically what it's gonna need to get in order to be repaired. Put this engine back. Put the rag over it. Okay. Put the rag in there so no dirt gets inside the crank. So yeah, everything else is in somewhat good condition. This is in good condition. I forgot what this is called, the valves. The camshaft is good. So yeah, this looks like the XR is going to be out of service for a while, so it's going to be about $100 to repair everything on it. And I don't know where $100 is gonna be. And a set of rings and the clips will be about 25 bucks, so that's a pretty good deal, I'd say. I brought it over to my local quad store and dirt bike store. He's pretty much, the guy knows what he's doing. He has basically all the parts. He has to order them. He says the cylinder, the piston is a little tiny bit short, but he said it'll work, so yeah. So there's an update, and hopefully we can do something about this XR80R engine. Someone wanted to buy it for $100, so I put it on Craigslist to see if anybody would buy it. Like the first day I posted it, somebody wanted to buy it for $100. I said, hell no, I put so much money into this, I should get at least $300, at least, when it's broken. So, there's an update, and see you guys later. Bye.